leaving the house for the first time all week. Yay!
And we're gonna be careful on the
We're gonna
road.
venture out. Gotta go to the grocery store.
And get some stuff.
Ooh, that reminds me, I need to take a picture of my list. Where is my phone? Oh, it's in my back pocket. Let's go take a picture.
Of our list.
Super bright out today, so I already have my sunglasses on, ready to go.
And we have to get some paint. Hi, baby. Are you gonna get paint for us too?
I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Gonna take you with us outside and show you the ride to the grocery store.
And we're gonna have lots of fun.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we make it okay. We have 4-wheel drive and studded tires, beefy studded tires, so hopefully we'll make it to the store. I've been seeing people go up and down the road, so I think we'll be all right.
And we'll see you later.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go outside. And we're gonna see everything.
Oh, it's so bright.
Whoa. Ah.
Okay, guys, be careful on the porch. Here, go ahead, Hannah.
And we're walking out.
Okay, let me help you down the stairs.
How's that split on here? Split over here. Mom, show
What?
them.
Yeah, close the door, please. Close the door.
And
Okay, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me help you down the steps. Back up.
very careful.
Ooh, it's windy.
Careful as we can. Oh, it's not that icy.
No. Daniel, please. Now your gloves are going to be all wet, bud. There you go. You got it. You got it. There you go. Good job. All right. Okay. Nope. 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 Get out of the snow. Out of the snow. Okay, what side do you normally sit on, Hannah? I forget.
I think it's this one.
Okay, let's go around here, Danny, and get you in. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, we're trying not to get completely covered in snow. Stop, Daniel. You're going to get snow in your boots.